Hi, this is Dr. Rick Goodman, leadership and employee engagement expert and author of the best-selling book, The Solutions-Oriented Leader. Being more productive will be much easier and less stressful if you know the time management traps to avoid in 2021. In 2020, when much of the world as we knew it shut down due to the pandemic, many of us found we had too much free time on our hands and we were not quite sure what to do with it. As an executive coach to Fortune 100 companies, it became evident that my top-level clients were falling into time management traps. I believe there are 4 time management traps for leaders to avoid in 2021 that will enhance their success. Time is our most precious commodity, the one thing we can't ever get more of. For leaders, it's more important than just time. Time management strategies abound, but so do time wasters. In fact, it's easy to be sucked into time traps which keep you from using your days effectively. Today, I'd like to share with you 4 time management traps that I have observed with my consulting and coaching clients. I hope you'll find these helpful as you seek to steer clear of these common hurdles. Number 1, not focusing on your highest and best use. Leaders, by definition, are go-getters. They're high achievers. They take great pride in crossing things off their to-do list each day, leading the team meeting, handling payroll, doing some accounting, and so forth. Here's the problem. At least 2 of the things I mentioned above, payroll and accounting, are simple, repeatable tasks that can easily be done by somebody else. In other words, you should be delegating them. If you accomplish a lot of things but don't really do anything unique and value-adding, you're not being truly productive. Number 2, majoring in the minor things. Along the same lines, just because your day is jam-packed with activity, that doesn't necessarily mean you're getting a lot accomplished. Spending an entire day reading email and attending meetings is not really an effective day. Don't get me wrong, emails and meetings are necessary, but your week should be structured in such a way that each day gives you a chance to produce, to lead, or to strategize, not merely to be busy. Number 3, the procrastination effect. That's right, the procrastination effect. A time management trap that many of us are guilty of is the self-destructive procrastination effect. Spending all day getting things done, but only as a means to procrastinate on the one big project that you dread. There's nothing wrong with saving some of your unpleasant tasks until you rack up a few wins. But if your schedule is all about delaying the inevitable, that's hardly what I'd call wise time management. Number 4, the shortest distance between you and a check. I have witnessed many leaders that get things done that don't have an effect on the bottom line. When leaders focus on the numbers, the key performance indicators of how the business is doing, they tend to reach their goals faster. What gets measured, gets converted, gets results. The bottom line for business owners, you have the same amount of time in every work day. The question is, how will you spend it? Use these time mastery tips to make your days more meaningful. And with any questions, reach out to me directly. You can always connect at www.rickgoodman.com or give us a call at 888-267-6098 and let us know how we can help you. Till then, go out there and make it happen.